you're going to be seeing my hands alone because this is an unboxing. As I've mentioned many times in this season, I'm going to be traveling. I usually vlog with my phone. This is the baby that will be taking its place. I bought it from Dream Technologies. So let's do an unboxing. So this is how it came. Nothing fancy. A wristlet, the DJI pocket itself with the handy dandy holder. We're going to unbox this. We're going to unfold this in a little bit. We also got this. Okay, so this has charging cable. It's type C connector. Can you all see type C connector? And it also has all right, so these are, I'll tell you what these are. Let me just put this down and put this away. I no longer need this box anymore. Yeah, so this is what came in the package. This was bought again from Dream Technology. So before I open anything up, let's open this. So this is the DJI Osmo Pocket. Right now the Osmo Pocket 3 is all the rage, but before I even go to before I even go to the Osmo Pocket, let me see if I like the initial version first, right? So this is the case. It's very compact. It can fit in your hand very, very easy. At the bottom of the case also has a hole for the charging cable. Let me see if I can get that. Let me get the charging cable. Open the charging cable and see. If you would open, oh my god, right, so this is the charging cable here. Yeah, so it charges. You don't need to take it out of the case to be charged. So that's that. Like I said, it's really compact. It fits in your hand, which works for me. And this is the DJI Osmo Pocket. Record button, power up button. So let me power it up so you can see. And this is what the screen is looking. It's really, really tiny, right? So this is the gimbal on top here. Going down, you see that goes up, it moves as well. Now the good thing about this is that it can attach to your phone. Let me show you all how. So let me press to turn it off. Okay, it's off. This is how it attaches to your phone. This. Now there's a there is an app called the Memo app that you have to install on your phone. So one of the good things I like about the DJI Osmo Pocket is that it can connect to your phone via the Memo app. And these two little packets here, this is how it connects to your phone. So this is for, my phone is a Google Pixel Pro. I'm not going to tell you the number, you're too fast. Joking. So a C-type charger and port. So this one is for my Google Pixel. And there's also one for if you have an iPhone. These attachments come with your Google Pixel. Sorry, comes with the Osmo Pocket. So because I have the C-type charger, I'm going to put this one away, and then I'm going to show you how we connect it to the phone. So to connect this, instead of me walking around with this little packet, I can slide it in. You all can see the little connectors here. I can slide it in this way and keep this on the DJI, and keep it in the case. That's fine. And then when I'm ready to connect it to my phone, because when you connect it to your phone, it has so many different features that you can change to. Let me show you. So if I want to connect it to my phone and I'm on the go, I slide this out and I turn it this way, and it pops into my phone. Now when it pops into my phone, it connects to my phone, which I'm using to record now, and the DJI Mimo app pops up, which gives me broader scope of vlogging. But I love this because it's so compact. I just don't know where do I put this. There's nowhere to put it. Yeah, nowhere to put it. I definitely need to get a screen protector and a camera lens protector. I just bought a 128 gig. Let me see if I can put this in here. Next up in the new technology is this little thing. It's a memory card adapter. I just hooked it onto my keychain so that I remember it. One of the reasons why I bought this is because I will no longer be going with my laptop, which is, you know, a big MacBook. Let me show you all. You know, I will no longer be going with that whenever I'm going on vacations, because I always want to go light now. So I'll edit on my phone, because I'm editing on my phone and this uses a memory card. Now it's easy for me to just pop out the memory card from here, put it in here, slide this into my phone, and everything that I've recorded here I can now edit into a video, either on CapCut or InShot, any of those things. So this is my phone. I took it. I definitely have to take it out of the case because the case is very big and bulky. All right, so we take this out. You just slide it out like this, and you slide it in like this. So you put it on. As you can see, the pocket is on. Then you slide it in. When you slide it in, automatically it opens the Pocket app. And this is a large view of what my gimbal is seeing. See all my stuff there, my water bottle, my fan, my cough syrup, all of that is what I now see. So I can work with this if I want a bigger screen for my DJI. And if I want to record, it shows you all the updates and all of that. So you need the app to update the DJI. Definitely need the app to update the DJI. And so I'm going to use my phone, but it's a more vlogging friendly setup. There's a case that I can get to cover both these things together. And like I said, I want to get the screen protector for this and the screen protector for the camera that you can see my finger on. And that's it. Bye guys.